Alright, what is going on, YouTubers and subscribers? This is not the typical video that you usually see here on my channel. Usually we're either by the tracks, watching the trains, continuing the Hear Piano Notes series, all that other good shit. But this is not our typical video. This video is being made in response to something YouTube is about to roll out tomorrow, which will affect all US users and possibly the entire platform. YouTube had just gone to high hell. YouTube is implementing an AI age verification. It will try to guess your age based on your watch history, the type of content you look up, the age of your YouTube account, etc. And YouTube, if they falsely identify you as under 18 with their AI, they give you three options. Options are either upload a picture of your government ID, use your credit card, which I do not recommend either of those, as they could store your data and potentially sell it to databrokers. And then your data is leaked on the dark web. Or you could do a 6-second selfie video and they'll analyze it to guess how old you are. Now, I've already went through the verification process using my driver's license. So I don't know if this is going to affect me or not, but there is a possibility it could get me a second time, and then I have to re-verify my age, even though I've already done it through Google. Now, I'm not 100% sure exactly how this all works out, but with the way AI is, nothing is perfect. AI makes a lot of mistakes. And why is YouTube implementing this? Because they made a claim, we want to protect the children and teens that use YouTube. Bull fucking shit. Bull fucking shit. It's not about protecting the kids, first of all. It's not about protecting the teenagers. It's about the greedy company, YouTube, wanting your data, your identification, whether it's your credit card information, your government ID. They could potentially store it for up to 2 years before deleting it. Some sources say 2 months before it gets deleted. Some sources say 2 years. And this is why it's called internet censorship. YouTube is trying to kill its platform. If we want to put it in simple terms, they are implementing this because of their bullshit claim that they're trying to protect the teens on YouTube. No, bullshit, YouTube, bullshit. You're not trying to protect the children. You're not trying to protect the teenagers on YouTube. You are censoring the internet from everybody and forcing them to hand over their ID just because they've been misidentified by the AI system that they're under 18 when they're over 18. This is why you do not use AI to try to guess somebody's age. Because AI makes a lot of mistakes, and if you are falsely flagged and are marked as under 18 even though you're over 18, they want you to hand over your ID or your credit card information to verify your age. Like, that's just a load of shit. YouTube, this is the YouTube downfall. And I am one of the several creators that are speaking out against YouTube for this. This will backfire on you, YouTube, in the worst way possible. We are going to boycott if you flag us as under the age of 18. When we are over 18 or we've already verified, there will be a boycott. Users will ditch your platform. users will find alternatives like Rumble, and they will just say, fuck you, YouTube. They're just going to say, fuck you. And I have to agree with them on that. Now, no, I am not leaving the platform. I am a longtime content creator. I've already verified. Hopefully I shouldn't get affected, but it's bullshit, guys. YouTube is trying to censor the internet. And YouTube's like one of the best platforms you could go on for work, for school, for personal use. But no, YouTube, you went and fucking ruined it. So I will not be supporting you if you implement this and falsely flag people who are over the age of 18 as underage. So that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully this gets a little bit of information out there. I will post a subreddit that I follow. Apparently what YouTube was saying about this. And we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.